Hello and welcome to our second video. I have a special guest today who's going to be focusing on food safety.
You've seen a kitchen, you've seen people cooking food, and then you probably have also cooked before. It can also be unsafe too. So what? Like, can't we just, every food is safe, right? Like, no way. You've got to take steps to prevent it. And so, first off, we got to tell you about hand washing. Hand washing is one of the most preventative ways to prevent foodborne illness.
All right, we're going to present the steps in hand washing.
So we're going to show you right now how to wash your hands the right way, not the wrong way.
The steps in hand washing include rinsing, applying soap, scrubbing, rinsing again, and drying.
So in order to do it correctly and successfully, you need to wash your palms of your hands, mainly your hands, your fingers, underneath your fingernails, and also you need to wash in between your fingers. And get ready for this body part, the lowest part of your arms. Make sure that you scrub your hands for 10 to 15 seconds. Make sure that you get all the body parts that I have mentioned in the previous step.
The final step in cleansing your hands is to rinse them for a few seconds. You will need to do this, to do everything from the previous steps.
Make sure that you dry your hands on a paper towel and not a dish towel or your apron, because that would be unsanitary.
The last step in hand washing is to always put your gloves on in the kitchen, especially during COVID for regulation, along with your mask.
There is certain levels of a refrigerator, and it has to be arranged in a certain way. So on this top shelf right here, these would be the ready-to-eat foods, otherwise known as foods that you need that is ready to eat without no extra preparation. And then below it, you've got food that needs to be cooked at an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Those foods include pork, veal, and beef, and venison, and under 155, which is the shelf below that. That it would be the foods that need to be cooked into an internal temperature of 155 degrees. And those foods will include ground meat and seafood. And 165 degree foods are the foods that need to be cooked to an internal temperature of 165 degrees, needs to be down here. Those will be including poultry such as chicken and turkey, and leftover meats. If it is arranged in a way that is not matching, some of the meat can drip on to other meats, causing what is known to be cross-contamination, which pathogens from another source of food go into another food or contact surface. And then once cross-contamination occurs, you'll start to probably feel sick with foodborne illness.
Thanks
for watching this video.